Hi everyone. Through this presentation, I will provide a strategic discussion of Haley's Fiber PLC in accordance with their 2024-2025 annual report. This presentation is aimed at analyzing how the company creates and implements its strategy to gain sustainable competitive advantage. To achieve this, I will look at the strategic direction, business model, external and internal environment, competitive strategy, strategy implementation, business performance of the company, but we'll end up with some recommendations of future growth. Moving to next slide. Company overview. Haley's Fiber PLC is a unit of Haley's PLC and the major manufacturer of the sustainable coir-based products in Sri Lanka. The company upgrades manual coconut fiber to include value-added products like growing media, industrial fiber, erosion control products, which are exported in over 40 countries. Haley's Fiber doesn't compete based on cost, but rather offer innovation, quality, and sustainability as a differentiator. This shows world is still seeking products that are environmentally friendly. Moving to next slide. Vision, mission, and strategic direction. The vision of this company is to be the preferred supplier of sustainable coir solution in the world. It has a mission of creating value based on its sustainability, innovation, and operation excellence, as well as satisfying the customers in the world. These statements can be translated to four strategic priorities. They are number one, global market expansion, number two, product innovation, number three, digital transformation, number four, ESG leadership. A notable thing is that the priorities are evident in the company operations, which means that the organizational operations are highly aligned in terms of the creation of implementation of the process. Let's move into next slide. Business model. Haley's fiber generates value by transforming natural coir fiber into high value products through effective manufacture and constant innovation. Sustainable raw materials are the base of the business model, which is supported by the technology and skilled workers. These inputs are converted into high quality products, which are then exported to the rest of the world and generate value to customers, shareholders, and the society. Interpretation this model is hard to copy as it integrated the natural resources, manufacturing experience, and worldwide customer retention. Moving to next slide. It's about pestle analysis. The pestle analysis indicates that the strategy of Haley's fiber is largely impacted by external factors. Po- Profitability is influenced by economic factors such as fluctuation of exchange rates and global demand. But social and environmental trends are also at the favor of the company since people start favoring sustainable products more. Innovation is supported by technological investment and environmental products are demanded by the environmental regulations. In general, despite the external risk present, sustainability trends possibly support the long-term company strategy. Moving to next slide. Porter's five process. According to Porter's five process, Haley's fiber is in a very competitive industry. Competitive rivalry and Buyer power are also high since buyers have a variety of suppliers worldwide. The moderate power of suppliers and the moderate power of substitute products exist alongside the high requirement of the investment, which decreases the threat of the new entrants. This is the reason why Haley's fiber will be competing based on differentiation as opposite uh, the price competition. The customer loyalty is also reduced to the level of innovation and sustainability. Next slide is about VRIO analysis. The VRIO model assesses the sustainability of competitive advantages of Haley's fiber. The analysis demonstrates that the sustainable products, export network, ESG credentials, and the Haley's brand have value and are uncommon and uh, imitable and based by the organization. There are resources that are long-term competitive advantages. Even through manufacturing know-how and innovation are eventually replicable. Combined, they help the company improve the overall competitiveness. Moving to next slide. Value chain analysis. Value chain analysis is the description how uh, Haley's fiber generates customer value. The value is created through the process of efficient procurement, advanced products, distribution across the world, marketing and customer support. The operations are among these activities that deliver the highest competitive advantage since they convert natural coir to innovative and high-end products. All in all, operational excellence, sustainability are implemented across the value chain to aid the company in differentiating itself. Moving to next slide, it's about SWOT analysis. The SWOT analysis is a combination of both internal and external opportunities and threats of the company. The main advantages are leadership in sustainability, high-tech production, excellent export system, and well-known brand. Dependence on exports and volatility in the prices of raw materials are weakness. Threats such as competition, climate change, and logistic cost can be seen as unavoidable. And the growing demand on environmentally sustainable products in the global market can be viewed as opportunities. All in all, the strength of the company put it in a good position to seize the future growth opportunities. Let's move into next slide. It's about competitive strategy. Judging by the uh, analysis, Haley's five adheres to differentiating strategy presented by Porter. Its competitive edge is in the form of sustainable, innovative, and high quality products and not price competition alone. ESG leadership, innovative product development, modern manufacturing, and customer relations are among its competitive advantages. Notably, the strategy aligns with the result of the VRIO, value chain, and SWOT analysis, indicating the presence of a good strategic fit. Moving to next slide. Strategy implementation. The strategy needs to be executed successfully. Haley's fiber underpins performance in terms of operational excellence, innovation, sustainability, innovation, market growth, and effective corporate governance. The company provides continuous investment in employee development, lean manufacturing, and research to ensure that it is capable of adapting to the changing customer needs. This fit between strategy and practical enhances organizational uh, sustainability. Moving to next slide. Financial performance. This slide questions the reflection of the strategy into financial performance of the company. The growth in revenue has been constant throughout the 5-year period, where it has slightly decreased in 2024-25. Nevertheless, the profitability dropped dramatically because of decreased demand in world markets and higher operation expenses. Despite these short-term financial performance that are lower, the company processed with investment in innovation, operational efficiency, and sustainability. I believe that these investments put Haley's fiber in a more competitive position in the long term, and that in part this fact supports the idea that strategic capability is stronger than recent financial performance only indicators. Moving to next slide. According to this analysis, uh, I suggest 4 recommendations. First, diversify by entering into the emerging international markets so as to minimize reliance on the current export market. Second, invest more in research and value addition of the products to preserve differentiation. And number three, enhance operational efficiency by automation, supply chain optimization, and cost management. Lastly, reinforce sustainability and ESG efforts to improve brand reputation and generate long-term shareholder value. These recommendations combine together promote sustainable growth and enhancement of competitiveness. Moving to next slide. It's about the conclusion of today's presentation. To sum up, sustainability, innovation, and world market leadership have helped Haley's Fiber PLC to gain a solid strategic platform. The firm has a good set of resources, a great differentiation approach, and excellent skills. Despite the decrease in profitability in 2024 and 25, it was found that it was probably more affected by external market factors than the lack of strength in strategy. Uh, on the whole, I can conclude the Haley's fiber. Uh, Helix fiber has good chance to grow sustainably in the long term by persisting on innovation, operational excellence, and internationalization. Hope you all understood the strategies of Haley's fiber. And thank you for this opportunity. Thank you.